Hi, come on in. We are driving cross country. In total, it's going to be about 11 days long. So I guess best New York memory was when Phil and I first started dating, and he would come visit me like every month for just a couple days. And it's a big experience for him because he's never moved to New York or lived in New York. And yeah, it's an extremely new chapter. So the only thing that really keeps me on track is this. Everything in my closet now is things that I am going to pack. Someone told me about a month ago, dandelion root is really good for like bloat. B12 and milk thistle is one of the things that I always have. One pair of sunglasses, which I absolutely love. I am specifically a dress designer, and I like wedding dresses and evening wear and mostly runway stuff. So I'm gonna continue doing that because that's pretty much my background. Okay, everything fit. As soon as I get to New York, I wanna start working. So I have like a pantsuit that I designed at Shoji. Shoes first. This is my mother's dress actually, when she was about my age. So it's extremely vintage. Since I'm the only child, I've grown to love my friends as my family. So I'm really sad to leave all them. We bought this as just for the placement of the patterns and the beading. It is from India, and then they just wanted to throw away the sample. The only thing I would probably keep on the hanger is this, which is my McQueen jacket. It's my baby. When McQueen passed away, they had a huge sample sale with the latest collection that he designed before he left. I love it so much.
Oh my gosh, poor Hachu.
In my vanity case, I'm gonna have my makeup. Some of the things I normally pack when I'm on a trip, since I do a lot of sketching and designing, and I still want to continue doing that while we're on our road trip to New York, I'm gonna put markers.
I think Hachu thinks that's his luggage.
He does.
He's like, that's for me, right?
Thank you so much for helping me pack, and let me know when you're in New York. Bye.